Hello guys, I apologize because I started to do the video a little late on this. I mean, I wasn't feel like doing a video or something. I don't know. The COVID got me, so I don't know. But I got the solenoids. Today, and I was like, let's just do the, swap the solenoids. So I got the old ones here. You can see how burned they are, and looks how new it looks, this ones. So I started to put all the valves and things, because I clean every single one all the way around the. I'm gonna show you a picture in a minute how it looks like. I mean, how this valve body was when I got them all apart. I find out some springs were broken, so we're gonna use this as parts. So yeah, I go ahead and bought new solenoids for this valve body. This is gonna be for the Beetle. I also purchased the sensor, the speed sensor input and the sender, or sender or input and the sender, whatever. I also purchased the ribbon cable, the harness for the valve body. So everything new in there, so it should work pretty good. So guys, I need to find something to where can I put you guys. So I got this tripod right here, so bear with me. I'm gonna try to do it right here. I might edit that part. I don't know if I flip you guys too much, but I'm gonna park my tripod right here, and I'm gonna start working on here. It's not much left. I did have all these apart. It was nice. It was fun. All the little parts here and there laying. It was like a puzzle, or whatever. So I don't got much left to do right here besides like putting it back together. Am I gonna test the ohms to see how the old ones looks like and how the new looks like. There you go. Make sure they are on the center. Like that. Make sure to blow air through all this. Make sure no paper or anything stays there. So I'm gonna bring the air hose right now. Gonna bring the air hose. So okay, so we got them here. Just gonna blow it up a little bit. Oh man, I don't know where my son put the. I found it. Got him here. So make sure you blow here. Pretty good. I'm sure we'll have like a little bit. So make sure everything is blow. There's 4 bearings that we're gonna need to put in here. They are here, right here. You're gonna see it. I guess that's pretty good enough. I mean, you do this so in order to any aluminum particles still inside there, like this little one. I don't know if you can see it, but see on my finger, there's a little shiny aluminum. So those sometimes get stuck into the ducts, you know, into the passages, and they get the valve stuck. So we're gonna remove this one from here, and let's see. We're gonna test the ohms. I don't know if you guys gonna see the screen or not, but let's try with the first one. This is the order they came out, and they are different size. This won't fit into this. So this will fit into this, but this will not fit into the other ones. So there's only two the same, and 5 the other same as the other. So you're gonna what you wanted to do is test the ohms. Like, let's start with the old one. The old one says 58. Were you able to see it or not? Let me see if I can lift this. You able to see it better? Okay, so start. So we got 57, right? This solenoid was gone. It was tired. Let's see the new one. They're at 65. That's one. Let's try the old one. 57 as well. Let's try the new one. 64. But it's still way better. So this is new. Let's start the third one right here, the old one. 57. Let's start the third one, new one. 64. Let's try another one. 57. Let's try this one right here. 64. Just this one right here has 65. Okay. Now let's try the new one. Should be 4. Yep. The old one, let me see. The old one is 4. Oh, it's jumping a little bit. So maybe that's why it's fluctuating with the signal. So maybe when it gets hot, no good. This is not working good. That's what happened with this one too. Low ohms. When it gets hot, the oil gets hot or transmission gets warm, these solenoids will not shift right. So let me see this. Can you guys see right here? Last one, 64. So let's try this one right here. What is it? It moved. Hold on. There you go. 57. And what was this? 64. Yeah, so let's try the last one right here. 04. Let me see this one right here. 04. So I guess that the white ones were bad on the old transmission, but this one right here was jumping up and down, so it's kind of tricky on that one. So no good. So that's why you check the ohms, and when you do that, you can change the. You also can change the input and sender unit sensor for the on the transmission. So you go everything new, also this. So I think I spent like what, like 30 on the harness, like 44 on the sensors, and I think it was like 80 bucks on the sensors maybe. And I got them from Wolfsburg Tuning. They are pretty good guys. You guys can oh no, that's my order number. I thought you guys can do a call to them, but anyway, this is their address, so you can, you know, text them or call them and say like, hey man, well, I guess just email them or mail them, because there's no email address right here. Or yes, there is, I forgot, wolfertuning.com. So you guys can email them and ask them about this kit. I think it's pretty cheap, honestly. So we're gonna see if this will fix the transmission. Now I need to get those bearings, but I'm gonna have to clean this plate. I have to clean this plate, remove everything what I can. I'm gonna also blow the air through it, but this is how I'm gonna think to rebuild this valve body. Okay, so that's blow. Now let's see, where do we need to put the bearings? It's not on this side, it's in this side. Okay, so since we already got the solenoids replaced, let's go ahead and put this on the side. Oh no, they give me like a paper right here. What is it? I didn't even read it. This is step-by-step testing process before and after the installation. Wait for transmission temperature drops between 30 Celsius to 40 Celsius to 85 Fahrenheit or 100 Fahrenheit before opening the valve body. Oh, so that way you don't burn your hand. Oh, okay. Oh, that's easy. They are outside here already. It says, after replacing the EPC into the valve body and installing the valve body back into the transmission, make sure the screws are screwed evenly and tightly from inside of the transmission by using torque wrench. Please refer the technical manual for a look indicator on the installation panels. Okay, check the specification of the ATF and make sure the ATF meets OEM factory standards. Inspect the TPS valve whether it's normal. After a test drive, it is necessary to check the transmission temperature whether it is a normal range. After the completion of the installation of valve, the transmission should operate normally and smoothly. However, when problems occur during or after the installation, please describe the situation in detail for further assistance. Okay, so about the temperature, we have another relocated oil cooler for this. So this transmission should be riding cooler now. Okay, that being said, we now gonna have to put those bearings where they belong. So this one goes there. This ring right here goes there. Guys, can you see him? Can you see me? Can we zoom in? There you go. There you go. So now, this big one goes right there. This one goes, I guess, right here. And this one, where is it? Where is it? Is that it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it looks like that's it. So now, this is not the plate. Oh yeah, it is. So just let me see that, just make sure. So there's one here. Oh wow, look at the marks, guys. Can you see the marks on the like from the bearings? Like there's one, there's another one, there's one right here. So 1, 2, 3. Where's the other one? Oh, the other one you won't see it because unless it's this right here, but I don't think so. Yeah, that it. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, this one you won't be able to see it because it has a ring protecting it. So that's how it goes. So, yep, we got one there. The second one, yep. And then the third one. Yep, perfect. That's exactly where they're going. So now we're gonna put those bolts in here. They want us to put a torque wrench. 40. Okay. So we're gonna tighten this right here. Torque wrench by hand. So that's that one. Good in there. Now, the spring, this spring right here that is broken. Let me zoom out or in, whatever. That spring, we're gonna steal it from the other plate. Or from the other ball body. This is for parts. So okay. This one we might be able to rebuild this one too. I might just need to order the same new stuff. Wow. Okay, where is the spring? So here is. That's the bearing right there. And this is the spring. Can you guys see it? See? There's one. The one is no good. There's one right here. The one is good. So we're going to put the bearing back in here. We're going to seal this back close again. So we can still use more parts if we don't rebuild it. I mean, that spring is pretty, like, I think I can get another spring somewhere. Just trying to see how spring is or how much tension. But there it is, guys. Uh-oh. What happened? There you go. That's how I think I'm rebuilding one of this ball body. I'm not a automatic transmission guy. Oh, this spring, it doesn't look great either. It's like, I guess it's how it looks. Yeah, it's good. Okay. So leave that there. Now we're gonna look for where that thing goes. Oh, I forgot. It goes inside of this plate. So we're gonna blow this too. Okay. There's a bearing here, so we're gonna also blow this. Okay, so clean. This is clean now. So let's put the spring in there. Now let's put the bearing in here. There you go. We're gonna seal. Oops, sorry guys, I knocked you with my elbow. Okay, so here's the spring, I mean the bolt. You guys can see it, springy. So that's good. So we're gonna flip this thing, turn it around, and close this ball body. So we're gonna put one here and one here. One there and one there. I mean, once you know all this, guys, it's pretty easy. Once you take it apart, like 2 or 3 of this, it's pretty easy. The trick in here is don't over tight these bolts on the transmission, because this bolt body, since it's hollow inside, it can get crooked. And if you over tight it too much, the bulb is passing through, it will get stuck. It won't slide easy. So, you know, it has to be light tighted. 40, I think it says somewhere around here, 40 torque, 40 degrees or whatever torque, I don't know. So that's it, guys. It's how to rebuild a transmission bolt body. And we're gonna also put neo harness. So I'm pretty positive that this will fix everything. Pretty positive that this will fix all the problem on this car. So stay tuned for this video. Thank you for watching, guys.